So when I did the poll to see what kind of videos you guys wanted, the #1 answer was tips and tricks, which, won't lie you guys, I don't have that many. So, but one I do have is for folding quilts without getting a whole bunch of wrinkles in them, especially if they're being folded for storage. So we're going to talk about that now. Not the long arm this week, we're going to be doing it right here on the floor by my toes, but I'm going to have to change the camera angle first, so I will see you in a few. Alright, so we're going to fold up this quilt to get it shipped, or to put it on a shelf, or to put it in a box, whatever we need to do. This is how I folded all my quilts when I moved to England for a year, and they stayed in the box for the entire year I was gone and came out wrinkle-free, so it's pretty excellent. I like the nice side of my quilts on the outside, so I'm going to turn it so the wrong side is up, and I'm going to fold a corner across the diagonal like that. Then I'm going to fold this opposite corner up to make sort of a long sausage type thing. Fold in my corners so I get this nice square, which then I can fold up to whatever size and shape I need. So there it is, all folded and ready to go. Because it's folded on the bias instead of on a straight of grain, the creases just come out so much easier. So I try and fold my quilts like this as often as I can. So hopefully you guys find that useful.